Hi guys, welcome back to another Wheels and Stuff unboxing video. This is a Wolfang projector. It's a WP04 projector. It's just an unboxing video. We're going to do a review of it pretty soon, so just wanted to kind of open it up. It's the first time I'm opening it. I haven't actually opened it myself, to be honest, so we're going to open it up and see what's included in the box. Pretty good box as well. Got a little carry handle, so you open it up, you've got your use manual, and I don't know what this is, compliance and regulatory information, so just pop that on the side. Got a little foam packaging to protect the projector. You take that out. Let's see if we've got anything else in there. Nope. Just another foam, what you call it, so we just dump that on the side. Right, so we've got, that's the projector. Don't know if it actually, what it actually comes with. We've got a remote control power cable. It's a UK power cable, so that's good. And what looks like a HDMI lead. So what we've got here, so it must have built-in Netflix, YouTube and Amazon Prime, which is interesting. It's got a bit of a texture on the remote as well, so it feels quite good on, in the hand, and some positive clicks on the buttons as well, which is good. And yeah, that's that. Looks like it's got a bit of a material cover as well, so if we turn that around, you can see the different inputs it's got. It's got a Cat 5, 2 USBs, 2 HDMIs and some stereo jacks. I'm assuming one's going to be in and one's going to be out, so there should be, if you have a closer look at that, there should be some. There's a headphones one. What's that one there? AV. Looks like AV. So yeah, we'll be covering that in the review. And yeah, so that's the unboxing video of the Wolfang projector WP04. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification and drop a comment, and you should get a notification for the review video that will be coming out soon. So I'll catch you on that video. Bye.